Hello everyone, I am very excited about today's video because I am making mochi for the first time with rice and not rice flour. So I will be boiling the rice first and then pounding it. You will see its structure changing, it's like magic. And then I will fill it with two new fillings. I will fill one with pineapple filling and the other one with peanut and chocolate balls, which I have made myself from before. For those who don't know about my mochi videos, I must tell you, mochi is a Japanese dessert which is made with glutinous rice flour. So here it goes. I'll start with boiling the rice. This is the rice. I've been soaking it for 6 hours now. And I will be boiling it first. So I'm using equal portions of rice and water. I'll stir it once or twice in between so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. So look, it's getting stickier. This is a very sticky rice. Very different from the normal sticky rice also. Otherwise you can't make mochi with the normal sticky rice. At this moment, I will put sugar in it. Two big spoons, tablespoons. You could put more if you want. I like very subtle sugar taste in the dough. And this is vanilla essence, little bit. Because the filling is so sweet, the dough needs to be a little less sweeter, I feel. But if you want to put more sugar, please go ahead. There. So I'll be cooking it a little bit more till all the water evaporates and it's completely cooked with the sugar. Look, it's all done now. See how sticky. Whoop. Okay, now I'll switch off the gas and I'll transfer it in this vessel because now I have to start pounding it. You know, there, really sticky. Okay. Now the pounding starts. Let me taste, but see, it's nice. Really very appropriate amount of sugar. Yummy. Little bit of vanilla also coming through. Very nicely cooked. मैं अपने ही मुंह में मुट्ठे बन रही हूँ. Okay, this. This instrument, जो भी कह लो, tool that I'm using to pound is nothing in front of the traditional Japanese tool that they use. Yeah. So it's a very physically taxing job. By now the texture has started changing. Now it's getting stuck to the stool. यहाँ तक कि ये plate भी उठ रही है because it's so sticky. I have been pounding it for 5 minutes now. बट अभी इसको और पाउंड करना है. Lots of hard work. Now I have been pounding for 10 minutes. It's becoming more elastic. See? Yeah. It also gets shinier as it keeps getting pounded. See, I told you how this rice will change its texture. It is so sticky. It's just really becoming stretchy. Now what I'm going to do, because I want to make two kinds of mochis, I'm going to transfer half of the batter into this bowl. Oops. This can be a little messy. Yeah. Here. And rest half, what I'm going to do, I am going to put a little bit of pineapple flavoring to it. Little bit, not too much, because for stuffing I am having pineapple. And a little bit of food coloring. This is an oil based food color. Here. I think 2 to 3 drops are fine. See? Whoops, sorry. And pound it a little more. Okay. And time to work with this dough to fold the mochi in now. Just sprinkle some corn flour. Magic! Fairy dust! Now this dough, it's hot, that's why the wooden spatula. With the feel of it only, you can see how chewy it must be. Disc. I take this. Because of the syrup, it's a little more trickier. If you can manage to make very dry ones, very dry pineapple, that's better. I'm straight away putting this into my cuppies. if you watch my previous videos where I am using rice flour, that rice flour is stickier, it's chewier, but I really like the consistency of this one also. Last week I had made these with white bean paste and covered them with sesame and deep fried them. Maybe I'll come up with a video of that too soon. So here are 4 mochis with chocolate peanut filling. This is my platter of pineapple and chocolate peanut mochis. Some decoration, thoda decoration to banta hai. Is edible cutouts of butterfly starch. Now my favorite part of this video, taste test. I'm so excited. I think I'll start with the pineapple one first. This one is breaking a little bit, so I will try that. It's a learning for everyone, for me, to not use such watery, wet pineapple, but it's okay. So here, because it's left its syrup, it's a little more difficult for me to pick it up. Time to try the chocolate one. Fuller in body. So sticky. Still sticking to my hands. So sticky. I can't talk. So sticky in my mouth. Yummy. See how it's stretchy? I'm Gunjan from the channel Cookasmic. Please like, share, subscribe. Make these mochis, share them with people. One of the most beautiful desserts ever. Thank you.